This ain't no PG-13. Pound for pound, he ain't ready for the warfare. I'm shooting to the gun, go brat. You want a war here? Man, I don't think so, and I don't think slow. I'm on another type of level, shit, and I don't think so. GMC won't fall off, never. I'm climbing through the wind, even if it's stormy weather. It's J in your hood, and it's J on your block, bitch. I'm everywhere you look, you bitches looking like a shook, bitch. And I don't play with hoes, you like to play with hoes? Now that's some funny type shit, you won't say it though. Cause when you look into the eyes of a madman, you looking deep enough, then you will see that I'm laughing. I'm Jay, so when I came, you better call the cops. I'm right here, motherfucker. Call the cops. I take off like I'm gone. You see me in the third lane, swerving so hard I get 'em robbed in the third grade. Cause you's a youngster, and I'm a gunner. I shoot more pistols in the game than a hunter. A #1 stunner pulling up in a Hummer. Blow your brains on the floor, cause you be looking like a buster. So what's up, son? You wanna get it in? I get more hoes, more money, more wins. Cop the let off and let it let off. I'm hot too, got two bitches like venom in my denim, be the cleanest. Swag on, drag on, bang like a penis. I thought I told you that we'd be the best at it. Just ask T.Y. cause he'd be the next at it. That's my homie too, Lil K, what's up? Rap game, C-Boss, Young Money Thugs. We get it in like we going for the gusto. I'm so into winning, thick, grinning like a nutso.
Yeah, I really do this shit though. Representing for my hood, all the way from the hood to Hollywood, 6